Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to another video on the channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to go through the woods. I'm going to find spots that I can put deer plots in. Yeah, I'm gonna hopefully plant some plots, get some trail cams out here, and probably gonna have to clear a bunch of wood because it's there's a lot of dead ash trees. If you guys know anything about the emerald ash borer, basically killed all the ash trees in basically the whole United States. So it could be a small job, it could be a big job, but hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. I can already tell one huge difference. It was about ankle high about 3 weeks ago, and now it's about waist high in most places. Also, this tree wasn't broken in half along this little driveway in through here. I also just came across this little pile of poop down here. It could be deer or raccoons. I'm not really sure. It doesn't really look like deer, but I could be wrong, because usually deer is little pellets. So, I don't know. Well, I just spooked a rabbit up from that little pile right there. It ran off the other way. That means I got really close to him, so there's probably a lot more in here, a lot more animals in here. This is only like a 5-acre woods, so it's not very big. It's gonna be a lot of clearing wood, especially in this driveway. There's a lot of downed trees and limbs, and this tree has thorns on it. Ouch. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of work in this summer. Almost just ate it there too. Ouch. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but the bugs are really bad back here too. They're flying all over and biting me. There's tons of mosquitoes, like all over the place. It's a very high traffic area here. Grasses and weeds are all smushed down all over the place. Hopefully that means there's some deer in through here. I'm keeping my eyes out because last time I was in here, it was, I don't know, January. And now it's the end of May. But they were all in through here and they would stare at me from a long way away. Be super quiet. Keep looking. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There's a deer up there. I can't tell if it's a doe or a buck. It looks pretty big though. Right there. I think it's a buck. I could be wrong. Try to get a little closer. There's actually 2 deer there. They just ran out the other side of the woods into the hayfield. Let me go out there slowly and see if I can get them on camera for you guys. A good way to wrap up the video. There's a ton of smushed down grass and weeds here. They're definitely bedding in here. I would bet money on it. Almost to the edge of the woods. See if we can see them. Smashed down part like I was talking about. It's like really smashed down. I just need to get some cameras out here. See if we can see how big a deer we're dealing with here. The edge of the woods. They were probably about 100 feet in, 150 feet in. There's this hayfield out here. But I don't see any deer out here. They probably took off for the hills and went running into that cornfield up there, or into our bean field right next to here. Which the bean field right here, when I was running beans, or it's beans this year, but when I was running corn last year, at that time of that video that I uploaded when I was combining, that was the biggest. I saw the biggest buck I've ever seen in that field. He became my target buck the last year. So that was a really cool experience to see that. Now, granted, I just did come walking out of here, but it's very smushed. The grass is all, you can tell something's been through here, so with some size. So they're definitely in here. There's a red tail getting chased by a bird. Lost it. There it is. I'm walking around the woods this time. Save myself from the bugs, because I can already feel. I think I probably got hit by about 20 to 30 skeeters while I was in there. Probably gonna be feeling it tonight when I go to bed. So you guys better like the video and subscribe for my pain. So here's my path right here that I've been walking, and there's this smushed down spot out here in the hayfield. Perfect spot for a deer to bed. Now as I'm walking along, I'm also looking in the woods to see if I can see any other deer or any other animals in there, because I'll also rabbit or squirrel hunt if you guys would want to see that. So this is today's Sunday, tomorrow's Memorial Day. I'm not really sure when this will get uploaded, hopefully tonight. But after Memorial Day, it's technically our first week of summer break. My goal is to upload probably at least once a week. Just try to grow the channel over the summer, while also balancing that with work, because my truck kind of sucks. Don't tell my truck I said that, but it kind of sucks and I kind of need a new truck. So I'm gonna work a lot this summer, hopefully, as well as have a good time, because last summer everything was closed down. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a magnificent, that was a weird word, have a great day. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, it's whatever you want to do. I would appreciate it if you guys were to like and subscribe, share the video if you'd like, turn on post notifications, hit the bell. I'll insert a picture right now of the woods from above and all the hayfields around. Hopefully, the next video I'm hoping to do a farm tour, something like that. Some of you guys have been wondering. That lighting's bad. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to like and subscribe. See you guys later in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, the last clip kind of cut out. The audio didn't work on it. The last clip you guys saw was a deer that spooked out when I was running, or when I was not running, when I was walking back to the truck. It jumped right out in front of me, scared the crap out of me. So yeah, now the video's over, promise. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. See you guys. Peace.